What's going on, miners? I'm Chump Change XD. Today's video, I want to talk about my mini doges being able to be pointed to unMineable and earn flux. As of 12/12, unMineable actually released flux earnings on that software, so I'm super pumped about this. I want to get into the Doge software, show you guys how to do this, and then we'll go from there. Let's do it. All right, so over here at unMineable.com, as you can see, flux has now been added as of 12/12 right down here. They actually tweeted it out yesterday. It is now available for mining. So I'm super pumped about this because now that means I can point my X4Q, all my iPolos, my X41U, and all of my mini Doge miners now, which I'm super pumped about. Let's get over. We'll look right here. This is what I actually have had running for roughly 12 hours at this point. You can see Mini Doge 1, Mini Doge 2. I have 186 average on both of these. That's the speed they're running right now, but that's like the average they usually get. As you can see, it's pretty consistent. Might spike here or there, but is what it is. So these things have been just plugging away. And the best part about the mini doges, they are actually Wi-Fi. So I can put these all around my house as like mini heaters just to supplement the heat, kind of save me a little bit of gas instead of using my furnace. So that's pretty nice. Now let's go over here to the gold shell page of the mini doge. This is inside the unit itself, showing you the actual hash rate of this unit. You can see it spikes up and down minimally, but it is what it is. Now, if we come over here, we go to the miner itself. And as you can see, I'm mining flux, the wallet address, the name, the referral code, and then the stratum. So I'm going to show you guys how to add this. Just choose add right here in the URL. This is what you're going to put in: script.unmineable.com:3333. Then down on the miner name, you're going to put this. It says flux in all capitals with a colon. Then you're going to put your wallet address with a period, then your name. And then after that name, you're going to put either a referral code or just leave it blank after the name. Whatever you want to do. So this is my flux referral. If you guys like to use it, I'll leave it down in the description below. You don't have to. You can totally use your own. Totally fine. You got to type in your password for the mini doge just like you had to get into this section to unlock the unit itself. Click apply. I'm going to click cancel because I don't need it. But you might have more than one or two pool settings here. The only thing you got to do is grab the miner script. You got to grab it, drag it to the top, and click on this little shovel so it's green. If there's any other shovels that are green on those other stratums and stuff, shut it off. So just double click it. You might have to refresh the page. Sometimes it's a little glitchy when it's restarting. So just give it a second, drag it to the top, make sure that's the only one that's green. That's what you need to do. It takes a minute. Sometimes it doesn't cooperate and shut off right away. But either way, super simple to do that. Now let's go over to this right here. My man, the B over in Discord, actually sent me this from Reddit. I think he found it. This is a Excel spreadsheet that showed the power differences that you can actually run on these mini doges. They have low power, balanced, and hash rate mode. This is the efficiency of this. So what I'm going to do is put this down in the description below if anybody's interested in reading this. It's actually quite interesting to see that this is the balance section. You can see the hash rate and wattage are fairly close. And then as you get to the higher power mode, obviously the hash rate is higher, but the efficiency is less. It's just kind of neat how this guy did all this. So if you guys want to go and dig through this, feel free. Whoever set this up, totally appreciate it. This is a really cool chart, and it really just kind of solved everything. Now right here, back inside the mini doge, you can see this is the power plan. This is exactly where you can change that hash rate mode to balanced or low power. So pretty easy to do that. You guys can decide what's better for you. I'm probably going to be running balanced mode because I'm going to be putting these inside my garage to kind of just heat that area so my kids can play out there, right? And they are actually going to be running off of 120. So I don't want it to be like killing the power out there. Obviously, it's less efficient on 120 versus 240, but the balance mode seems to be the best hash rate for energy cost, I guess, if that makes sense, if you're looking at that chart. So you guys can decide what you want to do, obviously, but I'm super pumped about this. I'm really excited to be able to have mini doges earning flux daily. So now real quick, I just wanted to dive over here to CoinGecko and just kind of see what the price of flux was at. So it's right around 50 cents right now. And the all-time high, if we scroll down, I think it'll tell us. Let's see, all-time high, 333. So it has some potential to at least go back to $3, right? So that's what, a 6x from this point. I'm willing to take that risk. I really think that flux could potentially go somewhere, and I want a big bag of it. So what I'm going to do is actually get all of my mini doges plugged in the garage, like I said, for supplemental heat. And I'm hopefully going to be able to earn a nice bag of flux that will help me in the future. What'd you guys think? Hopefully this helped some of you guys out realizing that you can actually mine flux now over at unMineable. Huge shout out to my man, AllSetMiner, for actually bringing this to my attention because I was looking literally every day on this site until yesterday. I actually didn't look at all, and he actually let me know last night that this was available to be mined. So I'm super pumped about it. Like I said, all my mini doges are actually going to be going onto Flux at this moment, and I'm just going to accumulate a bag and hopefully 6x at least in the near future. So you guys can let me know what your thoughts are about Flux down in the comments below, or about unMineable down in the comments below. I also have a video coming out real soon with 2 iPolos, ETC to ETC on unMineable, and then ETC to Ethermine, and we're going to see which one actually yielded more. So if you guys are interested in that, obviously don't forget to hit that like and subscribe down below. And if you guys haven't seen this video right here, please go check it out, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.